Hi and welcome to String Maestro. In this video I'm going to play a song called Silence is Easy by Star Sailor. So this is the cello part, and this is a special part which I've arranged for my Stringtastic concerts for the cello. So it's really easy peasy, man. It only uses two notes, which are third finger E on the C string and then first finger A on the G string. Now, I thought it would be a nice idea to explore the different note values. So this is one of the first songs that my guitar students learn, and it's actually one of the first songs that I give to my string players as well, because the notes are easy, but it also gives us a chance to explore the different note values. So we start off with semi-breves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then that pattern is repeated. And then we go to minims. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And then we go to crotches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Then in bar 25 we have some quavers. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and etc. Like that. And then what happens is at the end of bar 32, the whole piece is just repeated. So you just go back to semi-breves again and you just repeat the whole pattern. So before you begin, make sure that that you get that E really in tune. There's your first finger E. Now open D, first finger E, and that should be the same note. And there's a harmonic E there in fourth position. Or just get your tuner out. That's a good idea. And the A is easy peasy to tune. You can tune that against your open A. Like that. So there's that. Now, one thing you can experiment with is your tone. So a really lovely idea is to try breathing out with the down bow. So, and think of a curved shape with your bow. So 2, 3, 4, and then breathe in, 3, and then breathe out, 2, 3, 4, in, and then in. So you're breathing out and you're breathing in, all the way through that. So that you can even start that off just to give you that, because whenever you do that, it helps you to relax your body. So you're breathing out to make a nice big open sound and to use lots of bow. I mean, try starting off warming up with bowing circles like this. 2, 3, 4, and then do a big circle. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in, and that really gets the sound warmed up. It really gets the strings vibrating. Even in the crotches, you might think the crotches are eensy-weensy little notes, and you can't really get squeezed much sound of those. But listen to this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you really, really get into it, and the quavers really get into that. So whatever you do, don't just tickle them like this, like that, or like this. Because nobody is going to hear you, man, especially with all of those guitars and so as well, and also the violins are playing as well, and we really need a nice strong bass line as well. So the structure of the song is chorus verse. So there's 3 verses all the way. So it's chorus verse 3 times, then there's a bridge, and then there's 3 repetitions of the chorus again. So here we go from the start. So you got your first note ready. So here we go. So have fun. So I start off playing with the vocal whenever it comes in. So here we go. And the guitars as well, they do the same. Here we go. Breathing out, breathing in, breathe out. Still semi-breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep moving. Now we're going to minutes now. 1, 2. Exercise. So the down bow, your head goes to the left, on the up bow, your head goes to the right. Because your lovely feeling of contrary motion, of pushing and pulling. So pull the bow, push the bow. Okay, minims now. This is the bridge. Enjoy it. Smile. Go for a nice big tone. Enjoy this beautiful sound of the cello. Okay, crotches. Come on, keep it going. Keep the energy up. You try singing. So why not? Here we go. Quavers now. Try some vibrato if you can. It's very advanced, but it does make a big difference. Really enjoy that sound. 2, all the way to the tip. Now the song's starting to fade out now, so you just die down. Using less bow, you can just mime even when it finishes like this. And then there will be rapturous applause. Hooray! Well done! So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook, and please visit my website, which is www.stringmaestro.co.uk. So have fun. Bye bye.